Okay, next linear equation. 9 times x minus 4 is equal to 4 times 3. Please take note that this is not an x. This is a times. You will never get any algebraic expression that has a variable in the middle of two constants. No, the constants are always in front and the variable comes after. So this is not 4x3, it's 4 times 3. Just take note about that. So this is our linear equation. We need to find x. As you can see, this x, the way I write it, is different from the multiplication sign. So we want to find x. So we want to get x alone. Remember, when we're solving for linear equations, we want to get x on its own because we are solving for x. That's what linear equations are about. We are solving for the unknown variable. So in this case, first we need to, or we can decide to get rid of this 9. We can decide to get rid of this 9. But first, usually what we do, we need to expand this bracket. We need to expand this bracket. And then we also need to multiply these two. How do we expand the bracket? We times 9 times x and 9 times minus 4. Okay? What is 9 times x? It will be 9x. What is 9 times minus 4? That's where you need your multiplication table, ne? Sorry. So 9 times 4, or 9 times minus 4 will give us minus 36, isn't it? So on our multiplication table, we'll go 9, 18. Sorry, it's 9. It's 9, and then it's 18. Then it's 27. Then it's 36. 9 times 4. So it's minus 36. Equals to 4 times 3 is 12. So this is what we have. Now we have to get the x alone. First thing we do, we get rid of this minus 36. Remember, it's minus 36. So in order to get rid of it, we need to plus 36. Because negative 36 plus 36 will give us a 0. Whatever we do this side, plus 36 we do on the other side. Okay? So we have here this side 9x. This is a 0. Remember, we cancel it out. Minus, negative, positive, they cancel each other out. So here we have a 0 equals to 12 plus 36. What is 12 plus 36? Is equal to 48. 48. Okay. So now we need to get rid of the the 9, isn't it? In order to have the x alone, we need to get rid of the 9. And this 9 with the x is multiplied together. So what we need to do is we need to divide it so we can cancel the 9 out and we have the x alone. Whatever we do this side, we do on the other side. So it will be x equals to 48 divided by 9. What is 48 divided by 9? How many times does 9 go into 48? 9 goes into 48 5 times. What is the remainder? The remainder is 3. Over 9. Don't ask me how I do this. This is a different way to do it. This is when you want to get rid of this fraction. We can still simplify this 3 over 9 because 3 goes into 9 how many times? 3 times. So we can still go to x equals to 5 1 over 3. 5 1 over 3. Okay, so that's our answer. So which means again, if we come back and we take this x and we plug it in here, and we say 9 times 5 1 over 3 minus 36, the answer we should get is 12. You can go to your calculator and do that and see whether that answer is correct. So that is how we solve for x in this equation. We'll go on to the next one just in a minute.